Welcome back. You're tuned into Closing Bell, and we are coming to you live from the Motilal Oswal newsroom. Well, plenty to talk about in terms of flows. So let's go across to Nimesh, who's joining us. Nimesh, what do you make of today's session? The headline index is still holding well, but the small cap index is actually trading in the red for bulk of the session. So it tells you that there is some profit taking from the broader markets.
Profit taking and a bit of sideways as well. The broader markets have turned a bit sideways in the last few days, and that's the reason why, while the Nifty is up 40 odd points at record highs, but overall feedback is it's a boring market. Even from a flow perspective, my sense is you'll see a bit of a negative trade in today's market from the larger FIs. In fact, there is a small MOC basket selling as well in the large cap names, so that's going to play out maybe in the last 30 minutes of trade. But I guess the only sector which is doing good is the PSUs. Again, big move in the PSU stocks. The index is up 2.5%. The power PSUs are just firing. And despite the fact that BHL has set on record that they've not got any orders, that stock is up 12% and at record high. So that shows the momentum which is there in the PSUs. And remember, last week I know for sure there were some smart investors who went and actually shorted a lot of PSU stocks in anticipation that the rally is done with. So a lot of people got caught on the wrong side, and maybe today's BHL move is a bit of short covering as well. That's the sense that I'm picking up. But broadly, a dull day with broader markets on a bit sideways, and the flows are a bit negative with an MOC. Last 30 minutes will see some selling as well.
I imagine those people who went short on it, the way the stocks have moved in today's trading session. But anyways, part of the game. What about individual stocks, Nimesh?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock is Max Healthcare. That stock has recovered from intraday lows after a large block deal. I understand that a leading domestic mutual fund was a buyer in today's block, so maybe the disclosures could be interesting there. So that's the first name. The second name is Tata Communication. This is an interesting one. Quietly, this stock has relatively outperformed in the last many days. Even in today's days, it's at days high, good volumes as well. And the city is anticipating some corporate development very soon. Most likely, it's going to be some sort of a tie-up with regards to artificial intelligence. So that's the buzz on Tata Communication. The third name is Samudra Motherson. Been rallying in the last few days, but today, if you look at the chart, it's sharply come off from the day's high, and there is a buzz of a large block deal very soon. Remember, a strategic investor is looking to sell a large chunk in Samudra Motherson, so that can come potentially in a day or two. And the last one is Lemon Tree. For the second day running, good volumes, strong buying as well. So expect high delivery volumes, and there is cash-based buying happening in Lemon Tree for the last couple of days.
Okay, thank you very much for that.